Hey guys, today we're gonna play this game called Don't Press the Button. And yes, this is one of those games I'm just gonna play. Speed run, this is my favorite game. You can make speed run. And yes, that's actually my song that's actually a parody of just listening to a music. And this is what I used as a lyrics. Speedrun, this is my favorite game. This is why you will have to play speedrun. I remember that as a kid. But guys, forget about it. You always know that memories will be on your heart, guys. Ooh! We did it, guys. Okay, now this is an 8. How about I can make this as a 10-minute video? So I press the button. There we go. Uh-oh. Bump, push it out of a base plate before it explodes. What happens if it don't? What happens if you don't? It's just... Yes, I know it's the leaderboard. Well, I'm just gonna press the button, see what happens.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's the violin and knife.
Stop.
It's the violin and knife.
Okay, he's pressing another button. Tsunami incoming! Bro, I know this. I've played this like I was little, I guess, or no? I was like, played this in 2020. Maybe, I guess. Tsunami. Oh, that was easy. Hello there. Hello, amigos. Dora will stop you. That one. Baldi? Wait, that's Baldi! How is he in this game? Well, what is it? He didn't even hit me. That's a great choice. What if I just push them out? And then... He's not smacking his ruler on us. He smacked us. He explodes? Oh, okay, it's meteor time. Oh shoot, we had to look at this guy. If a meteor just hits me, I'm done. I'm just kidding. This is an 8-minute video, not a 10-minute video, guys. Oh no, someone died. This is coin. There we go. Oh no, I don't want to just get distracted on shops with Misa.com. I don't want to see Inquisitor Master, because Inquisitor Master is always my worst fear. Oh no, I know this is it's gonna explode. Told ya. This just flamed. Lyndon the chef is missing the ingredient bake-up cake. Go find them. I can see one of those. What a wreck! Got the milk. And wreck. Oh come on! I need that sugar. Watermelon sugar pie. Watermelon sugar pie. Oh my god. Cake! I don't need to. The cake has been made. Enjoy. Let me just press the button and then run away before something happens. A bomb! Sorry for making this machine sound. No! It's a good thing I'm not almost at it. No, my cake is gone. But I really love that cake, by the way. The mysterious level. Pull it. No! Don't! Fine, yes. Oh, come on. Rejoice, who knows what could happen? I don't know. Ready to push E. Oh no, you know what I loved? No, I can't move. No, the blurred wires make me not move. Oh no, I'm falling down. I can see them now. So the box means is actually you can spectate someone in an event. Like if they're gonna fight, you're just gonna spectate them in the event. Just gonna pretend I'm AFK. AFK. I'm just gonna say this. AFK. AFK. What would they think? Time to think. Get to do. Okay, here we go. You know I love this thing. Let's see. What does it look like? Look at the picture. That is me. And I hate it. Okay, let's see. Oh no 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 don't. Oh shoot. We had to be fast. Oh shoot. I can't jump. That's not fair. I think we're like making a Shrek figure. I won! Yay! Bro, I just won. Now what? I just got 10 coins. Not this again. We're just gonna be part of the picture. Family. And Rock will say, did you say family? Did you say family? No, it just only shows my wings. It's because they know I'm fat. Oh, not this again. Not. Kill me. Kill me. Hey, Titib, what you doing? Stop. Stop it, Titib. I always hate my Titib doing that. Also, why? I don't know why Titib always do that. But thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.